Hi, this video is a must watch for those in financial services in Canada and in the USA. First point, what do you need to get into financial services industry, especially into the life insurance industry? First of all, you need to have a work permit in Canada or the USA in order to do this business. But you also have to pass the licensing course and the licensing test in the state or province wherever you reside. In Canada, the courses and the test are in English and French only. Okay, those are the two official languages. And in the USA, the courses and the test is in English, and in some states, you can take the course and do the test in Spanish. Now, once you have that done, you also have to pass a criminal record check. And that is because we deal with other people's money, and because you also might have to go see clients at their place of residence or their offices. So you also have to pass that police check, background check. Now, once that is done, you're gonna have to choose a brokerage agency, an IMO in the USA or an MGA in Canada. When you are checking out these companies, these brokerages, ask them if the book of business belongs to you from day one or not. If the book of business does not belong to you from day one, it's a disadvantage to you. If I were you, I would not consider that opportunity, because you must have the right to take those clients with you if you change companies. So make sure the book of business is yours from day one. The other thing, make sure that you represent multiple insurance companies or multiple carriers. The same thing with investments. And ask them if they also have a partner company for you to do securities if you decide to get licensed on securities. Okay, that's super important. The other thing is, how is their system, their technology? We are in 2024. You better have the best technology available if you want to have an edge on your business. Now, once you have selected that company, actually, I'll back up for a second. Also ask them if you have the option, the opportunity, not the obligation, to recruit other agents and create your own agency under that umbrella. Can you recruit other agents and get royalties known as overrides in the financial services industry? If yes, that's great. Now, how many levels of sub-agencies can you build? The more, the better. And again, that has to be an option. It doesn't have to be an obligation, because some companies, there are a few in Canada and many in the USA, will almost force you to recruit. How? By offering you very low commissions. So you have no option but to recruit others to make a good living. But there is options for you, like the one that we have, and I'll tell you in a minute. This brings me to another key point. Make sure that your commission level on your personal production is competitive according to industry standards. It has to be competitive. Make sure that they don't trick you into saying, oh, we will pay you low commissions, but you can build big teams. Because with us, you can build big teams across Canada, across the USA, across Puerto Rico, and soon Mexico. But the level of commissions that we have for personal producers is incredibly competitive. So make sure that you can have your cake and eat it too. Okay? Very important. Now, once you have chosen the company to join, it's time for you to choose the team that you're going to be joining as well. So make sure that you don't go with the first option. Ask what that team can do for you. So if you are building in Canada, or not just building, let's say that you are a personal producer. Do they have training in English and French? Because you're gonna need it for sure. And if they have Spanish, even better, okay? Now, for the USA, you must go with a team who's training in English and Spanish because of the millions of Spanish speakers in the USA. Also, what else do they offer? The Icebreakers Team of Champions, which is the team that I have the pleasure to help lead. We have training not only on financial concepts, not only on digital marketing, but also on mindset. We have proprietary courses, also a mobile app. And if you are a financial services professional with experience and you are also a proven good, efficient trainer, not only we can negotiate your contract from the beginning so that it gives you a lot of advantages on your personal production, on your personal pen, but also you might qualify as one of our official team instructors, where you will be also receiving share code of those new recruits that are recruited by other agents, and you will be earning royalties for life on the agents that you help train. So if you have any more questions about our tri-rate system and about the advantages of the Icebreakers Team of Champions, make sure that you send me a direct message on whatever social media that you are watching this, or you can also scan the QR code at the end of this